Hey guys, how are we all doing? Phew, what a hot day. And it's so appropriate, isn't it, with this huge fire I've got going. Look at that. I mean, if I walk back like so, yeah, I can just feel the heat touching me big time. Oh, you're all right there, aren't you, Misty? Hey? Hey, here comes. Oh, you're really enjoying the summer. We've not had no rain at all. Phew-wee. I'm thinking of doing a barbecue right here. Anybody want to come? You'll certainly get your meat well done. Oh, wait. I've already caught the sun. I am approximately 8 feet away from the perimeter just there. No, yeah. Oh, that lovely heat. I just love the hot weather, and that's a real exception, this is. Oh, look how long this grass is. I should have to come over here in the tractor at some point. Here comes Misty. Come on then, girl. Oh, Max is about somewhere. Well, today's Thursday, and we've got wet weather coming in at the weekend, and some much needed rain, not too much I hope. Good girl. Eh? So I'm just making use of the sun as much as possible, burning stuff. This has really gone down. See, somehow I'd like to try and get that shifted over to there, but it's a little dangerous. I'm now about 15 feet away from it, and it's throwing a lot of nice heat into my face. It shows you how heat resistant I am. Don't try this at home. Anyway, stay warm, enjoy the sunshine. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please comment on Facebook, please like, subscribe on YouTube. I'll see you guys soon.